Ito anak ka para ano.
Hindi, okay lang.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, ayan ang ulam dito.
Mommy, you want your sisig? It looks so good.
You want it?
Mainit yan,
Try it.
mainit.
Yeah.
Kunin mo na yung ano, rice mo.
Oh, sarap. Simpleng pagkain lang. Dito sa may ano.
Oh, this chicken looks so good.
Kain tayo. You want a
Oh my
sisig?
gosh, guys, this is basically in house.
Sa to, hindi kami kumain ng breakfast. Brunch na. Yun.
Toyo.
Okay. Kain tayo sa may dalampasigan. Ano, ganda ng view. View ng ano. Ano to?
Ewan toyo.
Yes.
Anong beach na to? You remember?
Nakpan.
Ha?
No.
Nakpan.
Naktan.
Nakpan.
Ay, nakpan. Oh, ayan, kain muna tayo. Nagugutom na kami.
Gusto niyo yung kutsara po?
Kain muna.
Gusto niyo ba yung sisig na?
Kain tayo.
Kids are so soft.
I'm gonna make a clutch out of its skin. I'll be the hottest queen at fashion. Wait. How dare you let my baby get away? Do you want to die? Chuck this old bastard in the river.
Doon akong sila na bite yun. No.
Bye bye, baby. That's all my chicken. I'm sorry. Wait, after this one, can I get? Don't give them like the saucy part. Already saucy.
No, you can eat everything here.
Are you sure? That's literally
You must.
I'll bite.
Naku, don't like that. Just put in the ano.
It's so gentle.
You know, pag kinagat ka yan.